Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share a location on Google Maps. Whether you're meeting up with friends, giving directions to your home, or sharing a business address, this feature makes it incredibly easy to send exact locations to anyone. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can access all the location sharing features. Once you're on Google Maps, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll notice a search bar positioned prominently there. This is your starting point for finding any location you want to share. Click on this search bar to activate it and type in the location you're looking for. This could be an address, a landmark, a business name, or even just a general area. Google Maps will automatically start suggesting locations as you type, making it easier to find exactly what you're searching for. After you've entered your location and selected it from the search results, Google Maps will display that location on the map with a marker. Now, look for the Share button. You'll typically find this near the location details on the left panel. Go ahead and click on the Share button to open up your sharing options. A pop-up window will appear with multiple ways to share this location. The simplest method is to copy the link directly. You'll see a link displayed in a text box along with a Copy Link button. Click on Copy Link and the URL will be saved to your clipboard. You can then paste this link anywhere you'd like, whether that's in a text message, an email, or any other messaging platform. Anyone who clicks on this link will be taken directly to that exact location on Google Maps. Alternatively, if you prefer to share directly through a specific app, Google Maps offers quick sharing options. You'll see icons for popular platforms like WhatsApp, X, or Twitter, and Gmail. Simply click on the icon for your preferred platform, and Google Maps will automatically open that app with the location link ready to send. This saves you the step of copying and pasting manually, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to share any location using Google Maps, making it simple to guide others to exactly where they need to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.